The 2023 Volvo V60 Polestar engineered, blending performance and practicality. From an early age, I've been a philosophical utilitarian. While my peers were enamored with flashy sports cars, I found myself drawn to the practicality and versatility of vehicles like the Chevrolet Caprice or Buick Roadmaster Estate for utilitarians. Sports cars rarely make sense. Even as a 7-year-old, I realized that owning a Ferrari F40 meant sacrificing the ability to carry friends, dogs, bicycles, model airplanes, or Hot Wheels racetracks. For those endeavors, a wagon was the answer. Fast forward 28 years, and I found myself behind the wheel of a car that can transport a load of cargo and accelerate quicker than most supercars from the 1990s. It averages about 30 miles per gallon, can provide approximately 40 miles of electric-only driving if desired, and is none other than the 2023 Volvo V60 Polestar engineered, a dream come true for utilitarians, elegance and efficiency. The Volvo V60 Polestar engineered presents a striking, typically Swedish aesthetic with its well-proportioned design and understated style. However, it's worth noting that the design is around 5 years old and wasn't groundbreaking when it was first introduced. If you're seeking a more distinctive style, the BMW M3 sedan or the Audi RS6 Avant may be better suited, albeit at a higher cost. Nevertheless, the V60 incorporates some delightful touches such as gold-colored brake calipers, a textured black grille, and a white enamel Polestar badge on the rear. Comfort and space. Inside, the Polestar feels akin to the S60 Recharge, featuring black leather and woven fabric seat upholstery. Notably, the V60 boasts Volvo's iconic Orifice crystal gear selector and a standard Bowers & Wilkins audio system adorned with precision-cut metal speaker grilles. Distinctive gold seatbelts further set it apart as a Polestar product. The plug-in V60 seats are nothing short of exceptional, offering both a plush top layer and solid, supportive structure. Unfortunately, while the front and rear outboard seats are heated, ventilation isn't available. However, the cloth inserts do help by retaining less body heat compared to leather or leatherette, and they offer excellent support during spirited driving. The Volvo V60 provides more passenger space and significantly more cargo room than the BMW M3. Its upright roofline and relatively thin pillars ensure a spacious environment, even for rear seat passengers. However, the 18.8 kilowatt-hour battery does consume a fair amount of space in the center tunnel, encroaching on center console storage and footroom when 3 passengers occupy the rear seat. Nevertheless, the V60 Polestar offers ample space and comfort, exceeding expectations. Infotainment and audio. The V60 comes equipped with the new Android Automotive operating system for 2023. Bringing the Google ecosystem on board with features such as Maps, Assistant, and the Play App Store. It also includes Spotify and Pandora, offering an alternative to the wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto integration. While these external sources function well, Volvo's proprietary systems can be a bit sluggish and occasionally frustrating to use.